T-Rex tape is some of my favorite tape. It's super glue tape, and you could use it to create stickers. And I usually print these out and then put the super glue tape on the back of them, and it turns it into a sticker. I thought that was pretty cool. I'd share this customizing tip with you, and hopefully you could find T-Rex tape as useful as I do. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.